Big news for H1B visa families, especially Indians, and it's not kind of update that you want to hear. Starting from August 15, 2025, the US immigration system will change the way it calculates a child's age under the Child Status Protection Act. This might sound like a small technical tweak, but could have an huge consequence for thousands of kids who've grown up in the America. Right now, if your parent is on H1B visa and has applied for a green card, you are considered a child under the immigration law until you turn 21. If you age out, both the green card is approved, you lose the status, meaning you could be forced to leave the US even if you have lived there for most of your life. Under the February 14, 2023 policy, there was a little protection. Some kids stayed eligible as soon as their parents become eligible to apply for a green card. That means turning 21 didn't automatically push you out. But now USCIS says both it and the State Department will use the final action dates chart for the visa bulletin to decide whether a visa is considered available for calculating the age under CSPA. It standardized the process whether you are applying inside or outside the US, but here's the catch. It will also mean more kids aging out before the case is processed. This is a massive deal for Indians because they make up about 73% of the approved H1B visa application and face the longest green card wait times, often more than a decade. Compared to, say, Germans who might have only a 1 year, Newsweek report says that 2 lakh children under this is impacted. Once you hit 21 under these rules, you may lose the chance to earn a green card based on your parents' petition. You'd have to find another visa and even leave the country. USCIS also says that there's an exemption if you could prove extraordinary circumstances for not applying within a year of a visa becoming available. For the most of families, this could mean that a heartbreak after years of waiting. So, here's the big question. Is it fair enough? Should kids who've spent most of their life in the US, studied there, call it a home, being forced to start over because of the slow paperwork? Immigration rules have been consistent, but on the other hand, the policies doesn't account the human side that these kids are practically American. So what do you think? Would you pack up a fresh start somewhere else? Drop your thoughts in the comment section about this new rule that US government is applying. What do you think about this? And if you like such content, subscribe to World On. Thanks for watching.